Well, good morning on this beautiful July morning. We are out here at Centennial Airport in the Denver metro area doing some plane spotting of the corporate jets and general aviation. It is the Sunday after July 4th, so this should be the big rush of everybody going home and coming back from the July 4th weekend. Let's see what's ahead of us today. Have a great day. See ya. Alright folks, we got a Cessna Citation Longitude here for NetJets taking off. Challenger 604. This is a Challenger 300. It's a Learjet 45.
Man, that Lear 45 was scooting. I had a hard time tracking that one. He was going out of here like a rocket ship. Anyways, as stated, we are at Centennial Airport. We are watching departures on 17 left today. It's a very beautiful morning, but it's getting hot really fast. But let's get back to the video, see what's still ahead.
Citation CJ3. So the Citation CJ4.
Tower helicopter 162 take flight and modern India request.
Track 34, Centennial Tower, fly southbound, join final
This is a beach jet.
Southbound final 28, protect this one. Centennial Tower, clear track 329, to establish on the RNAV 28.
Clear track 329, Centennial Tower, terminate.
This is a King Air 200.
Cessna 0 Echo, fly straight out, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff. Citation 3116 Bravo, Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, line up and way. Clear track 284, you're following a Cessna on a 7-mile final, make straight at runway 28, runway 28 for the last.
This is a Citation Encore. Folks, as I pan across the airport property here, take note of how busy these FBOs are today. It's definitely a holiday rush here coming out and arriving. But this is pretty darn busy for a general aviation airport, although Centennial is one of the busiest in the nation. But this is still just pretty amazing to see all these airplanes here. It's probably pretty hard to see in the camera here, but once you get down towards Signature North and Denver Jet Center, they are just stacked down there, right there with all those planes. Pretty darn incredible. We're getting some good footage today, I hope. This is a Pilatus PC-12.
System clear, pop, fly straight out, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff. Just 4 Romeo Juliet, runway 17 right, clear touch and go.
17 right, clear touch and go, 84 Romeo Juliet.
This is a Citation Latitude for exec jet. King Air 200.
Continue for runway 17 left, traffic position.
Citation CJ3.
Centennial Tower, clear check 1006, 14,000 by heart.
Runway 17 right.
Now, for 17 right, 70.
So this little guy is a unique little guy. It is the world's first certified electric trainer aircraft, and it's visiting here at Centennial Airport. Just one of 8 stops it's doing here in the Americas. It is a fully electric B-23 Energic, and it's developed by Swiss company H55. It is so quiet it does not make any noise.
B616 Tango Bravo Tower.
This is a Citation Latitude.
1076 runway 17 left, clear to land.
Runway 17 left, clear to land. Project 1076.
That's the 30 November, proceed via the ramp. B616 Tango Bravo Centennial Tower, cancel, line up and wait, hold for runway 17 left at Alpha 1.
Alright, there's a Gulfstream 5, or known as a G5.
B52 Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, flat on the way.
This is a Citation Ultra. This is an old classic.
Centennial Tower, Hawker 244 Foxtrot Lima is visual 17 left.
Hawker 244 Foxtrot Lima, Centennial Tower for departure, can you take 17 right?
A lot of action out here at Centennial today, and things are really heating up. And by that, I mostly mean the temperature. It is getting really hot. So I don't know how much more of this I can do, but let's keep going and see what other aircraft we can catch.
Yeah, we can take the right side, line echo. Citation 19 Echo, thank you, runway 17 right, right side, clear to land.
This is a Hawker 800 XP.
Citation 920 Bravo, Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, line up and wait.
Cruiser 298, 17 right, clear to land.
This is a Citation Mustang.
Hey, Tower, turn in Alpha Mike. Do you want us in a base when we reach Parker and Rapo 417 right?
Archer 0 Alpha Mike, affirmative, you can just keep the base turn for 17 right and 17 right, clear to land, spacing is fine, wind calm.
17 right, clear to land. We'll start our base at Parker and Rapo for 9 Alpha Mike.
Papa Bravo, open now, Juliet, Sensible, Southwest.
Brooklyn Island, 6 Bravo, Centennial Tower, and our left base runway 28, wind calm.
This is a Gulfstream 4, otherwise known as a G4.
Spacing will be fine for Archer 0 Alpha Mike.
This is a Citation 10.
RV 4 Lima Victor, fly to the east shore of Hess Reservoir, then on course. Runway 17 left for takeoff.
That'll be 210
Embraer Praetor 500.
210 Centennial Tower, make straight in, runway 28, clear to land, wind calm. 2 Tango Alpha, runway 28, clear to land.
182 Tango Alpha, clear to land number 2, runway 28.
Here's 5 Kilo Sierra, runway 17 right, clear to land.
There's a Gulfstream G550. This is a King Air 90.
Centennial Tower.
Citation Sovereign.
Alright guys, that wraps up the morning here of the Sunday after July 4th. It was busy. I sure appreciate you all watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love doing aviation content like this, plane spotting. We'll catch you all in the next one. See ya!